Welcome friends. In this video I am going to show you how to cook crab in an Indian desi style, and along with it I will tell you whether eating crab is dangerous or not. And to know the actual facts you have to watch this video till the end. After that, please hit the subscribe button. Let me tell you two serious facts about eating crabs. First, I will tell you all about its benefits, and then later on let you know that how deadly and life-threatening it is sometimes. Let us start the cooking process now. These are mud crabs and I am boiling it for at least 3 minutes. See the transformation of orange color from its dark brown, and when you see this color change happening, it's right time to put the flame off and start shelling the crab. If you like food such as oysters, clams, shrimps, crabs and mussels, you will be happy to know they can be a part of a healthy cholesterol lowering diet. These are crab lungs, appears as feathery cones lining in the side of the body. Remove them and throw them away. Not only do shellfish have a low fat content, that is 0.5% to 2.5%, but about half of that fat is in the form of beneficial omega-3 oils. And you would be excited to hear that fresh crab is healthy meal choice full of nutritional benefits. Make sure you clean and wash the crab properly. I love this buttery brain and will steam it along with the gravy. And how do I do that? Just wait and watch. In main ingredients, I am taking onion, ginger garlic, dry coconut, green chilies, coriander leaves, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin seeds. Now grind it all together and make a fine paste. Friends, I am making this a bit spicy. I am going with 3 tablespoons of mustard oil in hot kadai. Then put some dry chilies, bay leaves and some whole garam masala like cinnamon, clove and cardamom. Now put inside the masala paste which we had done earlier. Now give it a good saute for about a minute. Add salt, turmeric powder, a bit of garam masala goes in. After sauteing for 2 minutes, add grated coconut powder. Adding coconut dry powder is optional, but if added, then the taste becomes much savory. At first, we will take claws of the crab and put inside the masala and give it a good mix. Saute this combination till the oil separates from the masala. Then add a glass of water in it. Stir it very well for another 2 minutes. Now leave it to boil for 2 minutes. Now one by one add the crab frame into the gravy. Crab is one of the best kinds of seafood to incorporate in your diet because it has benefits to keep your body strong and healthy. It is one of the best possible dietary sources of protein available. Crab is very rich in vitamins and minerals. Crab meat is also low in fat and contains omega-3 polyunsaturated acids. Crab meat provides protection from heart disease and aids brain development. It contains selenium. Selenium plays a key role in the human's antioxidant defense system, preventing damage to cells and tissues. Now the brain which I had taken in the empty crab shell before, I will put the same thing in the center of gravy to let it steam along with the masala. Now switch the flame to medium, then put on the lid and cook it for at least 5 minutes. After that, uncover the lid and see whether everything is okay or not. Even check the consistency of the gravy. Guys, crab contains copper and phosphorus also. It contains nearly 30 times the copper found in cod and 56 times that found in salmon, chicken and beef. It is also very rich in iron, which keeps bones, blood vessels, nerves and the immune system very healthy. I think the brain in the shell is perfectly steamed now and it is ready to be dished out. Crab contains riboflavin, vitamin B2. As vitamins are water soluble and therefore not stored in the body, they have to be obtained through our diet, such as crab meat. I will sprinkle some more garam masala for strong flavor. Wow guys, just check the color. It's looking so delicious. Friends, I request all of you at least once just try this recipe at your home. Friends, I have put all my heart into this recipe, so I request you to subscribe my channel before you forget. And now at final stage, I am going to add some green coriander leaves and then cover it with the lid for the final time for 2 minutes or so. And finally, our crab curry is absolutely ready. I am going to garnish it with some chopped walnut. Adding walnut to the dish will make the curry more tasty and toothsome. Now give it a final stir before you dish out. My spicy crab curry is now absolutely ready. I'll switch off the gas now and leave it to rest for 10 minutes. Friends, this is the only reason I said to keep it on rest for 10 minutes. See how the masala got coated to each and every claw and the frame of the crab. The masala also has become a little thicker and it looks very yummy. You must try at your home. Friends, now let me talk about the negative side of eating crab. Sometimes eating crab can cause food poisoning and it can cause death also. Shellfish poisoning is caused by eating shellfish contaminated with bacteria or more commonly viruses. Contaminated shellfish include shrimp, crabs, clams, oysters, dry fish and salted raw fish. Contaminated fish may have a tainted odor or taste, which we must avoid at any cost. Food poisoning only occurs when people eat contaminated crabs. So next time you go to the market, better check out for fresh crabs. You must be wondering that while eating, I am talking about this food poisoning. Don't worry friends, this is absolutely fresh crab. It was live and this crab is called mud crab. So it is absolutely safe to have live and fresh mud crabs. That's all for this video my friends. Hope you all enjoyed this video and got to know about the facts of eating crab. Guys, I request you to subscribe my channel and like this video so that I can get inspiration to upload more videos much better than this.